Motivation is the driving force behind academic success. It plays a critical role in a student's ability to set and achieve their academic goals. Intrinsic motivation comes from within, driven by personal interest and satisfaction. Extrinsic motivation is external, often involving rewards or punishments. Setting specific, achievable, and meaningful academic goals is essential for motivation. Goals provide students with a sense of purpose and direction. A supportive and encouraging learning environment fosters motivation. Teachers, peers, and family all contribute to this atmosphere. Procrastination is a common motivation killer. Learning to manage it is crucial. Techniques like time management and breaking tasks into smaller steps can help. Organization reduces stress and helps students stay motivated. Tools like planners and digital apps can assist in keeping track of assignments and deadlines. Embracing a growth mindset means seeing challenges as opportunities for growth. It fosters resilience and encourages students to persevere in the face of setbacks. Students should not hesitate to ask for help when needed. Teachers, counselors, and tutors are valuable resources for academic support. Celebrating achievements, no matter how small, can boost motivation. Rewards can be intrinsic, a sense of accomplishment, or extrinsic, tangible rewards. Maintaining a balance between academic and personal life is crucial for sustained motivation. Overworking can lead to burnout, which harms academic performance.